Hi everyone, my name is Autumn Genesis Hill. I am a student attending at L'Anse Creuse North High School. Today I'll be presenting and talking about different parts of the body and their functions. The body is quite fascinating due to all the aspects and different little details that are involved in the body. We have all these little indents that are involved in your bones that have different types of purposes that involve movement and different other things. And a main thing that is involved, which would be in your bones. One is called a ball and socket joint. It's kind of like an indent in your clavicle and your scapula up here, which is like your shoulder bone. And it's like an indent like this. And your humerus right here, this is your upper forearm. It at the end of the top of the bone, it has this ball, which is why it's considered a ball and socket bone, and it fits into that indent, allowing full rotation, which allows your arm and your whole body, well, that part of your body to be able to move around in that direction, in that rotation, as well as your hips that are involved. And it goes around as well. This allows rotation in your hips as well. In your coxal bone and your femur, the femur is the largest bone in the body, and at the top of it, it also has this large ball which fits into that indent of your hip, allowing for rotation just like your shoulder. And then another example is a hinge joint. A hinge joint is kind of like a door. It opens and it closes in that direction. And this would be kind of like your elbow and your knee. You see here at your elbow, you have your radius, your ulna, your humerus. They're all connected here. And with this, with what's involved here, the way the joints are connected and the bones are connected, it allows for just you to be able to move in this direction up and down. It doesn't allow for as much rotation as a ball and socket would, but it involves both when you use your arm for just things in general, maybe like throwing the ball or doing different stuff like that. And then there's plenty of other things involved. There are also many different bones. Some names for these bones: we have long bones, short bones, we have flat bones, and irregular bones. So flat bones would be considered, an example is your skull. It is flat, which is why it is called flat bones. You have long bones, which are most of the bones in your body, and then irregular bones would be considered your vertebrae. And that's it for me. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. Have an amazing day.